Have you ever sat down at your desk with the best intentions, only to feel distracted before you even start? Papers are stacked everywhere, pens are scattered, cables are tangled, and suddenly your focus disappears. A messy workspace creates mental noise, even when you don't realize it. Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're crafting a multifunction wooden desk organizer designed to bring clarity, calm, and productivity back into your daily routine. This project is powerful because it solves a real problem almost everyone faces. Modern life demands organization, yet most desk solutions are plastic, flimsy, or poorly designed. A wooden desk organizer feels different the moment you place it on your desk. It adds warmth, structure, and intention. Wood has a natural way of making a space feel grounded and purposeful, which is exactly what a productive workspace needs. The idea behind a multifunction organizer is simple. Instead of one flat tray that quickly fills up, this design combines multiple storage zones into a single compact footprint. Vertical sections hold pens, markers, and tools upright so they're always visible. Horizontal shelves keep notebooks, tablets, or planners within reach. A dedicated phone slot prevents constant searching. Even small compartments matter because every item having a home reduces wasted movement and mental distraction. What makes this project especially satisfying is how approachable it is. You don't need advanced joinery or expensive machinery. Straight cuts, clean edges, and careful measuring are the foundation. As the pieces come together, you start to see how thoughtful design turns basic materials into something purposeful. The organizer slowly transforms from loose boards into a structure that feels solid and intentional. Sanding is where the project truly comes alive. As rough edges soften and surfaces become smooth, the organizer begins to feel finished even before any stain or oil is applied. This step is often underestimated, but it's what separates a rough DIY build from something that looks professional. Taking your time here pays off every single time you use the organizer. Midway through this project, it's worth pausing to appreciate how woodworking connects creativity with daily life. You're not just building an object. You're shaping how you work, think, and focus. If projects like this inspire you and you enjoy practical woodworking that improves everyday spaces, make sure you subscribe to Craft Catalog so you don't miss future builds and ideas that help both your skills and your workspace grow. Finishing the organizer is where personality enters the design. A clear oil finish highlights natural grain and keeps the look clean and minimalist. A darker stain adds depth and creates a more professional, office-ready feel. Some makers prefer a matte finish for a modern look, while others enjoy a soft sheen that catches light subtly. No matter the choice, wood instantly elevates the organizer beyond anything mass-produced. One of the biggest advantages of this project is how adaptable it is. You can customize the layout based on how you work. Artists might need brush storage and sketchbook slots. Office workers may prefer space for documents and devices. Students can design compartments for notes, chargers, and study tools. This flexibility makes the organizer not only useful but deeply personal. There's also a strong practical side to this build. Desk organizers are always in demand. People want clean workspaces, especially with more time spent working from home. This makes the project highly giftable and even sellable. The materials are affordable, the design is repeatable, and the finished product has high perceived value. A well-made wooden organizer often looks like something purchased from a boutique store rather than built at home. Beyond usefulness and potential profit, this project teaches essential woodworking skills. Accurate measuring, clean cutting, edge sanding, and thoughtful layout design all come together in one build. These skills transfer easily to shelves, drawers, small furniture, and storage solutions. Every organizer you build improves your precision and confidence. Once the organizer is placed on your desk, the impact is immediate. Items stay where they belong. The surface feels open and intentional. You spend less time searching and more time doing. Even small improvements like this can dramatically change how productive and calm your workday feels. Woodworking doesn't always need to be about large furniture or complex builds. Sometimes the most powerful projects are the ones you interact with every single day. This desk organizer becomes part of your routine. It quietly supports your focus, keeps distractions away, and reminds you that thoughtful design matters. If you've been looking for a project that's practical, beginner-friendly, and deeply satisfying, this multifunction wooden desk organizer is a perfect place to start. It proves that simple woodworking can create meaningful change in everyday life. Thank you for building along with Craft Catalog. Subscribe for more smart woodworking ideas, practical builds, and creative projects that turn simple wood into tools for better living.